Hoshin Kanri, a strategic planning process, ensures that strategic goals drive action at all levels within an organization. The Japanese word Hoshin means direction, and Kanri means management. The 7 steps of this process are: 1. Establishing vision and assessing the current state. 2. Developing breakthrough objectives. 3. Defining annual objectives. 4. Cascading goals throughout the organization. 5. Execution of annual objectives. 6. Monthly reviews. And 7. Annual review. The technique focuses on eliminating waste, originating due to inconsistent direction and poor communication. Proper alignment of goals and objectives, and involvement of frontline employees are crucial for its effective implementation.